Simizi arrested then released on R1.500 bail. Idol's judge and Metro FM presenter, Simizi Mlongo, was arrested on charges of misinformation or spreading of fake news on Thursday last week. National Police spokesman Vish Naidu confirmed that Simizi was briefly detained at the Santon Police last week Thursday after he handed himself over. He said the reality star was released on R1000 bail and was scheduled to appear at the Randburg Magistrate Court on April 30th. Simizi was arrested after Transport Minister Fikile Mbalula laid these charges against him. Mlongo was live on Instagram with Dinia Ranaka telling her and Metro FM listeners that Cyril Ramaphosa was about to extend the national lockdown. When Ranaka asked him how he knew about the extension, Sangaga said Mbalula told him. The video went viral. Simizi later apologized to South Africans and Mbalula calling his message a bad joke. However, the apology was not enough for Mbalula, who despite the apology retaliated by opening a case against Simizi, stating that the radio presenter had violated national regulations on spreading fake news. Mbalula denied ever sharing or leaking any government information with Mlongo, and he challenged anyone to confirm this by checking his phones.
Yeah.